I've been walking through the shadows, boots worn thin on a broken road. Every mile got a memory on it, every memory got a story I don't tell no more. I've been chasing down the sunrise, but the night keeps calling my name. Feels like every time I try to stand up, Lord, life knocks me right down again. But in the cold wind I swear I feel a whisper pulling close to me, something gentle in the heaviness, something soft beneath the misery. Goodness and mercy follow me now, through the fire, through the pain, through the fallout. When the river runs wild and the nights get loud, you're the calm in the storm, you're the light in the clouds. Goodness and mercy, don't let me drown. Hold my heart when world tries to tear it down. I'm a sinner, I'm a fighter, but somehow goodness and mercy still follow me now. I remember all the times I broke, every promise that I swore I'd keep. I remember when the bottle made me someone I don't ever wanna be. I pushed away the ones who love me, built walls too high for them to climb. But somehow love kept reaching for me, even when I ran out of time. Yeah, I felt grace in the dirt and dust, like a hand pulling me upright. Even when I didn't ask for love, it found me in the dead of night. Goodness and mercy follow me now, through the fire, through the pain, through the fallout. When the river runs wild and the nights get loud, you're the calm in the storm, you're the light in the clouds. Goodness and mercy, don't let me drown. Hold my heart when the world tries to tear it down. I'm a sinner, I'm a fighter, but somehow goodness and mercy still follow me now. Baby, I'm not who I was, but I'm not who I wanna be. I'm somewhere in between the wounds and who you made me underneath. And every time I fall apart, you put the pieces back again. Goodness in the breaking, mercy in the mess I'm in. Follow me, follow me, through the shadows I can't outrun. Follow me, through the nights I thought I was done. Follow me, till these weary bones find rest. Goodness and mercy, meet me in this wilderness. Goodness and mercy follow me now, through the tears, through the trials, through the breakdowns. When my past comes back trying to pull me down, you lift me up, you turn it all around. Goodness and mercy stay by my side, every valley, every mountain I climb. I'm imperfect, I'm still learning, but somehow goodness and mercy keep finding me now.